Good morning, dear student. In this class, we studied about the practical question of net profit organization. We have questions, and after that, we do the solution of this question. Firstly, I am reading this question, then we do the solution. Following is the summary of cash transaction of the Royal Club for the year ended 31st March 2019. We having a receipt and payment account. We having payment side and payment and receipt side. In the beginning of the year, we have cash in hand and cash at bank, entrance fees, subscriptions, legacy, life membership fees, and surplus from the entertainment event. On the payment side, we have rent, wages, electricity charges, honorarium, books, office expenses, 3% fixed deposit which is open on 1st October 2018, and the closing balance of cash and bank. We have some additional information in this question. In the beginning of the year, club possesses of the book of rupees 2 lakh and furniture of rupees 85,000. Subscription in arrear in the beginning of the year amounted to rupees 3500, and at the end of the year rupees 4500. 6-month rent was due both in the beginning and at the end of the year. Okay, and at last, right of furniture of rupees 5000 and book of rupees 11300. So dear student, on the basis of these information, we have to prepare income and expenditure account and balance sheet. So first of all, whatever the additional information is given in the question, make tick on the receipt and payment account. So club possesses book of rupees 2 lakh and furniture of rupees 8500. So books and I think if furniture is not given in this question. Subscription in arrear. Subscription. Mark a tick on this subscription. 6-month rent. 6-month rent was due both in the beginning and at the end of the year. Furniture and books. Furniture and books. We have already marked this. So dear students, in this question, read it carefully, and we have to prepare 3 account which I have already done solution. We have to prepare income and expenditure account, balance sheet. You have seen in this question there is no capital fund is given. So for finding out the capital fund, we have to prepare the opening balance sheet account. Okay. So see one by one. In opening balance sheets, we have all the we write all the amount in the opening of the year. So we have seen in this question, let's see, cash in hand and cash at bank, they are the opening amount of the year. So these both amount we would write in opening balance sheet, cash in hand and cash at bank of rupees 10,000 and 21,900. Now come to the entrance fees. Entrance fees is our income. So we will write entrance fees as 25,500. Dear students, first you have to write the question, and after that you see the solution. Now we having the subscription. We having the subscriptions, right? Subscription of rupees 1,60,000, because there are some additional information regarding subscription, so we write the 1,60,000 inner side of the column. Legacy, there is a sort of a donation, so legacy is there is not mentioned for the specific purpose, so we write it is the income for the organizations. And life membership fees is a liability for a company, so life membership fees we would write on the balance sheet. Now next is surplus from the entertainment event. That surplus is also the income for the non-profit organization, so we would write this amount in the income side. Now come to the payment side. By rent, we would write rent in the expenditure side of amount of rupees 16,800, but we have some additional information on rent, so we would write inner side of the column, which is directly right outside. Electricity charges, honorarium. Books is a assets. Book is asset, so we would write book inner side of the column, amount of rupees 21,300. Now come to the office expenses. Office expenses is also an expenses, so we would write directly amount outside of the column. Now 3% fixed deposit, which is open on 1st October 2018, amount of rupees 80,000. Fixed deposit is a sort of asset, so we write FD on the asset sides, right? Okay, we are saying here that there are 3% FD for half of the year, so we calculate 3% of 80,000, it would be 2,400, and for 6 months 1200. The sum of this amount we would write outside of the column. Okay, now and closing balance of cash and bank amount is 2,000 and 24,200. Directly we write 2,000 and 24,000 outside of the column. Now come to the additional information. In the beginning of the year, club possesses of the book of rupees 2 lakh. It means that when the accounting period started, we have the book of rupees 2 lakh and furniture of rupees 85,000. So we would write this amount in the opening balance sheet: furniture of rupees 85,000 and book of rupees 2 lakh. Same amount we would write in the asset sides: book of rupees 2 lakh and furniture of rupees 85,000. Okay. Now come to the point subscription. Subscriptions in arrear in the beginning of the year amounted to rupees 3,500. It means that this amount is belongs to the previous year. So we will deduct this amount from the subscription. Outstanding subscriptions for the previous year, we would deduct this amount from the subscription 3,500, right? So if this amount is outstanding for that year, it means that this amount is opening for the next year. So we will write subscription 3500 on the asset side of the opening balance sheet, right? Similarly, and at the end of the year, amount of rupees 4500. It means that outstanding subscription for the year which is ended on 31st March 2019. This one is outstanding subscription for the current year. So we would add this amount 4500, and after all these calculations we would get amount 1,61,000 outside of the column. Okay. Now come to the next point. 6-month rent was due both in the beginning and at the end of the year. First we have to calculate the 6-month rent. 6-month rent means outstanding rent. Total rent is of rupees 16,800. This is divided by 12. What we get? 1,400, and we multiply by 6, 8400. This 8400 is outstanding for the current year, and as well as this 8400 was outstanding for the previous year. So we would add outstanding 8400 for the current year, and we would less outstanding for the previous year. So the total amount would come outside of the column, 16,800. What effect of this? You already know that outstanding rent we would add in the current year, and outstanding rent of the previous year we would write in the opening balance sheet of the previous year. Now come again in the questions. Write off furniture of rupees 5,000 and book of rupees 11,300. Furniture. We write off the furniture of rupees 5,000, and the remaining amount come to the outside of the column, and this 5,000 we would write in the income and expenditure account. Similarly, we write off the book of rupees 11,300, and calculated amount would write outside of the column, and similarly this 11,300 we would write in the income and expenditure account. Hope so, students, we have done. Okay. 1 and 2, interest on FD. We have write interest on FD of rupees 1,200 because this one is the adjusted amount of interest on FD. This is income for us, so we have write it is the income and expenditure account as a income. So dear students, first of all we have to calculate it opening balance sheet, and whatever the balance is left in the liability side, we call it the capital fund. This capital fund amount we write in the liability side of the balance sheet. Okay. Now come to the income and expenditure account. The total of income side is 209800, and the total income of rupees 209800, and from this income we deduct all the expenditure, right? whatever the remaining, that we call the surplus. So this surplus amount we also write on the liability sides. At last, we would see that the total of asset sides and the total of liability sides would be equal. So dear student, there are some points like subscriptions. You must be consider that, you must be keep in mind that current year subscriptions, outstanding current year subscriptions you would write on the current balance sheet, and previous year outstanding subscription you would write on the previous year balance sheet, right? So dear student, we have done this question, and we have done one by one all the step. If you having any problem, you can call me.